So there seems to be quite a procedure there. Remove this one. That's number 13. It will be sitting here, holding down the injector. Next, remove these two screws that are located there and there. Loosen this nut. This is about 20, but I used a wrench. It kind of worked. This is, for some reason, it's what was it? 5:30 seconds. I thought this is a metric engine. Anyway, this sat in there, and that was on top of the injector. Some fluid came out. There's a gasket there, I see. That's fine. Next, need to remove, well, the procedure calls for loosening the adjustment screws nut to release the tension, but because these were already loose, I didn't have to do it. I think this one I'll need to do. This one is loose. The problem would be later on to put the tension back on, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So yeah, this one is under pressure, so I'll need to. Next, again, size 13 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will allow me to remove the whole rocker shaft assembly together. I'll keep it all together just so I don't have to mark it or anything, and in the right orientation and in the right position, because I know I'm just working on this one, because I just could not get that injector out without doing this, and that clued me in that there's more disassembly required. And there's a good website, catengine.info, seem to have detailed instructions with pictures. I don't know how I didn't find that before, but anyway, I came across it, and straightforward. So next would be removing this, disconnecting the cable to the injector, and the injector was already loose from the get-go. I don't have to like pry it up or anything. It was fairly loose already. So I'll get you in once that's done.